when you're looking at this absolute value equation, and the steps for solving are to isolate the absolute value expression, which is done, and then we split it. In each of the cases that we split and write our equivalent equations, we're going to start with the value that's inside the absolute value, so we'll be alone on the left side. On the right, I'm going to set it equal to exactly what was given, and on the left side, I'm going to set it equal to the opposite of what was given. So again, what I'm going to do is just change the sign of each individual term. So this becomes a negative 3x and a minus 18. Okay, once you do that, then you solve each of these equations completely separately. So here I'm going to add 3x to both sides, giving me x squared plus 9x. I add 18 to both sides as well. Okay, and I look to see, are there two factors of positive 18 whose sum is positive 9? 6 and 3. Set each of those equal to 0, so negative 6 and negative 3 are my potential solutions. Do the same thing over here, solving it by moving all the terms to one side. So I get an x squared, subtract a 3x from both sides, and subtract an 18 from both sides. And when I look to factor this, again, I'm looking what factors of this case, negative 18 have a total sum of positive 3. So a plus 6 and a minus 3 gives me the potential answers, negative 6, positive 3. And so I'm going to go in and test all of these solutions. Again, the radical equations, absolute value equations, and the rational equations, you need to make sure you check all your solutions. So here I get absolute value of 6 squared, which is 36. 6 times a negative 6, which is minus 36. Is that equal to 3 times a negative 6 plus 18? So here I have 0, here I have 0, so yes, negative 6 works. Test the negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, minus 3 times 6 is 18. You want to test to see, is that equal to 3 times negative 3 plus 18? So here you have negative 9, absolute value of that is 9. Is that equal to negative 9 plus 18? Yeah, so that's going to work as well. And finally, we're going to check for 3. We've already found negative 6 works. So if we plug in 3, we get 9 plus 18. Is that equivalent to 3 times 3 or 9 plus 18? So is that going to work? That'll also work. So all three of those will be solutions for 30.